Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to delete photo on Poppo Live. Alright, so it's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Poppo Live app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After clicking on that, at the top area of your screen, you're going to find what you have to do is to tap on your profile. Alright, so after that, if you look at the top right corner, you will see this little pencil right there. Tap on the little pencil, and here you're going to find all your added photos on Poppo Live. Alright, so if you want to delete any of this photo, alright, I just have two photos right here. So if I want to delete any of them, I just have to select the one that I want to delete, and I'll get the delete option right here. As you can see at the bottom area of my screen, I have the delete option. So all I have to do is to just click on it and the photo will be removed. So that's it guys on how you can delete photo on Poppo Live. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.